Welcome back to Tech is Strong with Shobhit. In episode 1, we have learned how code turn into machine instructions. Today, we tackle the topic that makes 50% of computer science students drop out: pointers and memory. People say pointers are hard. I say they are misunderstood. By the end of this video, you would not just understand them, you will realize they are the most powerful tool in your engineering arsenal. To understand pointers, you have to understand RAM. Stop thinking of memory as a magic cloud. I want you to visualize RAM as a massive row of mailboxes or lockers. Every single locker has two things: a value inside it, your data, an address on the outside, a unique number identifying that locker. That is literally all memory is: a linear list of numbers boxes. When you write int score equals to 99 in C, you are telling the computer, find an empty locker, label it score, and put the number 99 inside. Let's say the computer chooses locker number 100. If you ask for the value of score, you get 99. But if you ask for the address of score using the address of operator, you get 100. Keep that number 100 in your head. That is the secret. Let's see dereferencing. So why is this useful? Because of dereferencing, when we put a star in front of P, like this, star P equals to 50. Here, we are telling the CPU, look inside P. So what is inside P is 100. Go to the locker 100, change the value to 50. We change the score variable without ever touching the word score. We did it remotely through the pointers. Why do we need this? You might ask, why not just use a score? There are two reasons. First is speed. Imagine you have a 4K image, huge data. If you pass it to a function, you do not want to copy every single pixel. You just pass a pointer, the address. You say, image is over there at the address 5000. It is instant. Second reason is hardware. In embedded engineering, a screen or a sensor is just a specific address in memory. To turn on an LED, you must use pointer to write to that specific hardware address. You now understand the grammar of hardware, addresses, and value. But there is a catch. Sometimes memory is organized automatically, and sometimes you have to manage it manually. In episode 3, we will fight the battle of stack versus heap. You will learn what actually causes a stack overflow. If this clicked you, hit like. If you are still confused, ask in the comment. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.